Hi, I'm Laura Cappelli. I'm an associate professor of medicine at Johns Hopkins in the Division of Rheumatology, and I'm part of the ACR annual meeting planning committee.
Hi, I'm Britt Adler. I'm an assistant professor in rheumatology at Johns Hopkins, and I'm also a member of the planning committee.
So Britt and I today wanted to share a few sessions that we're really excited about for ACR. It's a labor of love planning the annual meeting. Shout out to the ACR staff for all the amazing work that they do and to all the other members of the planning committee. So the first session I'd like to highlight is check-in with checkpoint inhibitors. So my research has been in immune checkpoint inhibitors and immune-related adverse events, and these cancer immunotherapies are being increasingly used and becoming an increasing issue for rheumatologists. So this session on Monday will have two talks. First, an update on immune-related adverse events from Dr. Kimmy Chan from Hospital for Special Surgery. And then our very own Dr. Ami Shah will discuss using immune checkpoint inhibitors in patients with pre-existing autoimmune disease who then develop cancer. So I think that will be a really high-yield session that I'm looking forward to. The other session I want to highlight, and I know Britt is going to highlight a similar session, is one of the new Meet the Panel sessions for the annual meeting. And so this is a new session format for this year, ACR Convergence 2023, that will be a more interactive session with experts on a panel giving their evidence-based opinions about all sorts of different topics. So these sessions will be throughout the meeting. Meet the Panel Rheumatoid Arthritis will be on Monday, and it will focus on glucocorticoid use in rheumatoid arthritis and the pros and cons of glucocorticoid use across the disease lifespan. And we'll feature panelists including Dr. Vivian Bykirk, Dr. Leanna Frankel, and then our own Dr. Clifton Bingham from Johns Hopkins.
So I'm also very excited about the Meet the Panel, particularly for myositis. This panel is going to include some of the most seasoned experts in myositis, including Chet Otis, Lisa Ryder, Vicki Worth, and Susan Shenoy. These experts are going to highlight some of their most challenging cases that they've experienced in their careers. And what's very novel is that it's going to include both pediatric and adult myositis cases. There's going to be an interactive component in which the audience can ask questions and also bring their own challenging cases to the panel. The other session that I'm really excited about is the Great Debate, which is going to be on the use of biologics upfront in PMR. And the experts who are going to be debating are Phil Seo as well as Robert Spiera. So don't miss it.
Yes, we can't wait to see you at ACR Convergence 2023.